everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a maintenance in a MacBook Pro 2013. As many of you know, this computer is still working really good these days. So this computer came to me coming from my friend of mine, Chris, and what he told me is that the computer has the lid kind of fluffy, especially when you try to close it and when you try to open it. I think it's something normal that happened for this computer, especially coming from the 2013. Now, let's get to it. All right, the first thing that we're gonna do here is we're gonna remove the cover. It's a really good cover. My friend of mine, Chris, he always has a really good stuff. As you can see here, you get 10 screws that you had to remove in order to take it out this cover. Alright, quick explanation here. The problem that we have with this computer, it's not in this side of the computer, it's in the actual LED computer or the actual screen of the computer. So for that reason, we had to split the computer from the monitor. Next step, we're gonna disconnect the monitor that we have here. We also gonna be disconnecting the graphic card that it runs in the other side of the computer. Not this one. It's this one. It's not this one. What about this one? This one works. It is another small connector here that goes tied to the monitor on the laptop. Now it's out. Next step here, as you can see on the video, the computer has like a one stopper per side, and the function of this one is just to stop the LED when it goes up and down. Alright, we already split the computer. So let's start working in this side. Like already explained before, as you can see here, the problem is on the monitor. Look at how loose is this piece here. So that's the problem that the computer has it. So we're gonna be removing this part here just to get access to the screw that is behind this part here. So, like already explained before, look at the problem. The problem is pretty simple. It's just this screw here that you have to tie it a little bit more. Well, now is the time time to put the pieces back to the original position. Let's start with the plastic cover. Let's continue with the little cups that the plastic piece used to have. It's always a good practice if you can take this time to do a little bit of maintenance. Let's clean it up a little bit, this part here. So look at the difference here, right there. Look at the difference here. It's almost like a brand new, super tight. Now let's put in back the badass cover that my friend always uses. So now let's make another round of test. Look at here, look at here. Look at here.